Hi friends, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel.
Hi, welcome everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss about selling audiobooks. If you are thinking about book selling, then you can also record your books and sell them as audiobooks. And if you already published your book, then convert that into audio and take the benefit of audiobook selling platforms. Here I am sharing the most commonly used audiobook selling platforms that are used by many authors, and these are ACX, Sellfy, and Asound. Also, you need to understand that audiobooks have higher price as compared to ebooks, so you must try this if you are already an author. Thanks everyone, I will see you at the next lecture. Hi, welcome everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of selling audiobooks. Let's discuss the advantages. The first advantage is you can create them very easily. You just need to have a recording device and that's it. The second advantage is listeners can create multiple copies and save them for future. Also, it is easy to find audiobooks from an online library as compared to a book on a shelf. The third and the last advantage is it is very user friendly. When people get bored by ebooks or books, they can give break to their eyes and listen to audiobooks. Now let's discuss the disadvantages. The first disadvantage is listeners will have to carry a device using which they can listen to the audiobooks. Also, if the download is not available, then the users will need to access the internet to listen. The second and the last disadvantage is it is not possible to create audiobooks for all subjects. For example, if we want to create an audiobook to teach programming, then it does not seem to be appropriate. A fiction or subjects that do not deal with technical things would be better option to create audiobooks. If you want to sell audiobooks, just keep these advantages and disadvantages in your mind. Thanks everyone, I will see you at the next lecture. Hi, welcome everyone. In this lecture, I will give you a list of some profitable niches for audiobooks. So let's start. The first one is fiction. Then we have diet, motivation, spirituality, mindset, happiness, self-transformation, entrepreneurship, money management, investment, real estate, and language audiobooks. You can choose any of these niches and start recording your books, or you can hire someone for recording. Thanks everyone, I will see you at the next lecture.